Okay, so I just discovered this new AI plugin for Obsidian called Gemini-helper, and it's got some mind-blowing features.
Really? What's so special about it? AI plugins are popping up everywhere.
Right, but this one integrates Google Gemini's file search capabilities. It can literally search your vault using AI.
Wait, seriously. So it's like having a personal assistant that knows your notes.
Exactly, it even allows for real-time conversation with AI through a chat interface. How cool is that?
That is pretty cool. I mean, having streaming responses can make it feel like you're actually talking to someone.
Totally, and you can switch between different Gemini models right from the chat, which makes it super versatile.
But doesn't that assume those models are adequately trained for all kinds of queries? What if they are?
True, that's a valid point. The performance can vary depending on the model you choose. There's always that variability.
And what's this about RAG settings? I'm not completely sure how that works.
RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. It helps the AI pull in relevant data from your notes to answer questions.
So it's like it's pulling context from your own work. That's powerful, but could it mix things up?
Yeah, it could. If the context isn't clear, it might misunderstand queries. That's a risk with AI, right?
Definitely. But the idea of having semantic search is intriguing. It could make finding things so much easier.
Right? Imagine searching for a concept and getting all related notes instantly.
That's especially handy for long-term projects or research. But I wonder about privacy concerns there.
Good point. The plugin stores your API key locally, but files are uploaded when RAG is enabled.
So there's a trade-off between convenience and privacy. Would you trust it with sensitive notes?
I'm not entirely convinced. I think I'd be cautious, especially with sensitive information.
Fair enough. Maybe it's more suited for general knowledge or personal projects.
That seems reasonable. Plus, it saves chats as markdown files, easy to edit and review later.
Oh, so you can keep track of conversations. That's a nice touch for continuity.
Absolutely, and it even allows file attachments like PDFs or images in the chat.
So you can have a discussion about specific files without switching contexts. That's great.
Exactly, imagine chatting about a document while referencing it directly. Smooth workflow.
That's such a game changer for note-taking. But how easy is the installation process?
Surprisingly simple, just drop a few files into your Obsidian plugin folder and enable it.
Nice. I like when tech is user-friendly. Are there any technical requirements we should know about?
Yes, you need Obsidian version 0.15.0 or higher and a Google AI API key for functionality.
Okay, getting an API key is manageable. But what happens if I change my mind about using it?
You can easily disable the plugin or remove your API key. That flexibility is reassuring.
That's good. It sounds like it really encourages exploration without too much risk.
For sure, but we should also think about the limitations of relying solely on AI for insights.
Definitely. It's still important to apply critical thinking to what the AI provides.
And context matters. AI can't replace the nuanced understanding we have from personal experience.
Exactly. It's a tool, not a replacement for human reasoning. That's a crucial distinction.
So I guess we could say it's an exciting step forward but comes with caveats.
Absolutely. And it'll be interesting to see how users adapt to this kind of tech in their workflows.
I can't wait to see how people use it creatively. There's potential for some cool applications.
Right? And I'm curious about how it will evolve with user feedback over time.
That's the beauty of tech, isn't it? It transforms with us as we explore new ideas.
Exactly. So what's our takeaway here? Embrace the potential but stay critical.
Definitely, let's keep experimenting while being aware of its limitations. It's an adventure.
Totally. And who knows what amazing things we'll discover next with AI like this.
For sure, this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm excited to see where it leads.